Well, the Raspberry Pi Foundation, we're an educational charity, and we made the Raspberry Pi computer to get kids back into computing. Now, that's taken off in a big way. We thought we'd sell maybe 10,000, and now we're up to about 1.5 million, and we're really, really proud that they're made down the road in Pencoed. So I'm the Director of Educational Development, and we've actually got the wherewithal now to actually start that journey of developing educational materials, getting involved with schools, getting involved with businesses. So the thing we want with the Raspberry Pi, I'm a teacher myself, and when teachers get the Raspberry Pi, they think what a fantastic thing, what a cool thing, it's quite weird, and then they start to ask how to use it. And at the moment this is something we're working on, and eventually we're going to build up a central resource of materials. But at the moment I think what we really want to do is to talk to businesses, to talk to schools, and we need to get people from business, people from schools actually working together, actually on what's quite a unique thing. And until now we've got these lockdown models of PCs and these iPads, and so this thing comes along and it looks interesting, but how do you use it, how do you work with it? And teachers are in a position now, as an ICT teacher myself, teachers in a position where they might not actually have the skill sets to use something like that to its full potential, and that's where businesses come in, and that's where people can actually come along and help schools. Talk to teachers, come along, run coding clubs, actually come along and do a bit of training with them, and we're hoping that will happen. And certainly what we've seen in Wales is there's just such a buzz around the whole digital thing, around the whole tech thing, and actually I don't see that in a lot of other places where businesses are actually starting to think, well, I can go along to school now and I can help, and we can actually develop some products and develop some materials, do a bit of training, and really get involved. And it's such a unique thing here. I found that really eye-opening actually. Well, for myself, I'm a great believer in actually going off and learning stuff as an ICT teacher. We can't stand still. We've got an industry, we've got a subject which just moves on and on and on, and it sometimes does come down to it that you've got to say, right, I need to go and learn that. So if we're going off to Spain on holiday, we might want to learn Spanish, so we'll put 15 minutes, 30 minutes in a day to learn that language. I think we do have there's an obligation on us to say, I want to do the best for my kids, and so I need to sort of up my game. But again, that can come from self-teaching. You can go on the web, there's fantastic courses on there that you can go along and actually learn stuff. But again, I think there's a massive potential for people to come in from industry and to actually get involved in either full-scale CPD with teaching, where you're actually released for the day, or to actually come along to twilight sessions, computing at school and things like that, and to actually do some training in that way.